Our next topic is the calendar. We learned that 60 seconds make 1 minute, 60 minutes make 1 hour. Such 24 hours make 1 day. But how many days make a week? There are 7 days in a week. Okay, so 7 days make 1 week. These are the points that you need to remember and the facts about the calendar. There is 1 week which is made up of 7 days. Then how many weeks make 1 year? 52 weeks make a year. Right? And how many days make a year? 365 days make a year and 52 weeks make a year. So this is the bifurcation of the year. In the calendar you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. A year is made up of 12 months. Which are these? I'm sure you have learned the names and do you remember? Like January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. They all have different number of days. These 365 days are distributed among these 12 months. Each month has a set number of days. Like January has 31, February has 28 or 29. Every 4 years we have a leap year. In that leap year we have 29 days. Otherwise February has 28 days for the rest of the 3 years. March is 31, April is 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, September 30, October 31, November 30, December 31. Now, it's tough to remember which month has how many number of days. So, the easy way is you have this knuckle. This is called your knuckle. And the knuckle, the bump here, the bone here. The month that comes on the bone here has 31 days and the one that come in the gap have 30 days, excluding February. मज़ेदार तरीका याद रखने का. तो जो भी ये बोन के ऊपर जो मंथ आएगा उसको 31 डेज होंगे. The rest will have 30 और फरवरी को 28 या 29 डेज होते हैं. Let's see, January 31, February is in the middle. So that has 28 or 29 days. Then you have March again on the bump or the bone. So that is 31. Then again April in the gap, 30, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So this is how you can remember the number of days in every month. Okay, now every month has 4 weeks. Days and numbers keep on changing. Now, here you can look at the calendar. In the month of January, you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Sundays. While the month of April has 5 Sundays. So, the number of days vary from month to month and year to year. This is a calendar of 2018 and this we are studying in 2020. So, the calendar will be a little different from this one. Looking at this calendar, there are many question answers that have to be filled up. Why do you use the calendar? The calendar reminds you of your birthdays, of your family's birthdays, then different festivals. Then according to the days, you set your timetable for your school, isn't it? This is why calendars are useful. So, understanding the calendar is very important. They were the important points that I gave you. these points which you need to remember. All right. And now we will shift to the next topic. This is the birth certificate that is given. This is the first date that you always remember, or the first date of your life. That's your birthday. That is the day you are born. From that day onwards, you start remembering the dates of your life, isn't it? So this is the birth certificate. And in birth certificate, what are the details that are given? That's your name, then your sex, that you are a boy or a girl, then the date of birth, and dates are written in different ways. The first, the one that you write in the school, that is 11th September 2020, right? And if you want to write in the full form, then what do you write? 11th September 2020. This is also how you write. Generally, you use this pattern in writing dates. So, calendar is very useful in a day-to-day life. I hope you understand what the calendar is. This is the birth certificate. In birth certificate, you have your date of birth. So you have your birth date of birth, which is written in different ways. This is written in the numbers, and this is in words. Then your place of birth, that's the hospital where you were born, and the city. Then your father's name, mother's name, then there's a registration number and the date on which it is been registered. This is the proof which is required in during your school admission and many other places. All right. So after studying this, you're supposed to answer these questions. So we are done with the chapter. Time goes on. You're supposed to do all the exercises, and if any queries, we will solve them during the doubt sessions. Have a good day and goodbye.